noticed this engine was leaning back like Fat Joe in the back of the club, man. And, you know, our motor mount decided to check out. The motor mount said, too much wheel out, we're checking out. You see that pipe sandwich right there? Because the motor's leaning back. Like, lean back, lean back, lean back. So, we're just going to address everything, man. We got to get so much stuff 100% before we bring it back out. It ain't even funny. I might just do like a mesh grill back there. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll figure it out, though.
Many months later.
So, we just received our Hux Racing solid engine plate mount. Probably butchering that here. Let me read the actual thing. So, we have just received the MR2 sw20 kswap motor plate kit or upgrade. Oh, solid bushing mounts. Okay. Got my address, but this is what you see. That's what it cost. Hux Racing. Delete Colin Haycox from Facebook. Red No Prep MR2. Wow, that means a lot to me right there. Just that right there. Let me focus it for you. Colin Haycox from Facebook. Red No Prep MR2. Maybe the respect I deserve. Right there, Hux Racing. Big shout out to you guys. Up here is the kit. I'm gonna say the packaging was good. Okay, I got my dogs here. They're crazy. Don't mind them. Packaging was good. There's random boxes in there that I could probably reuse for shipping something later. Just stored in there to hold the parts. Everything. I'm gonna give the packaging a 9.5 out of 10 because it's so good. We're gonna jump straight into it. Here is the engine plate that I have been waiting for. He told me they had some cut a while back, and I just didn't have the funds to get it at the time. And he cut some to order, I guess. So you have to contact him about that. But look at this. Wow. Lightweight too, which is surprising to me because I never really held a lot of engine plates, and this is like half of a regular engine plate. But wow. The quality is great. Not sure where all these holes go, but this is obviously the bell housing somewhere up in here. And probably motor mount here, probably motor mount back here. So it's going to set like this in between my transmission and my engine. And I guess if you have to delete the aluminum oil pan to run this deal or make some adjustments for it, we got Givy. Givy's like, what do you got? I want to see it. So anyways, yeah, real impressed with that right there. So that's our first item. Like I said, he had it all packaged up like this. I mean, just packaging was prime. So, okay. Now we got something here. So our first package we opened is the nuts and bolts. First impression, looks like everything's labeled in individual bags, which is good because I can't keep track of a bolt to save my life. Got, just gonna open this up here. Got left mount. Dude, I just bought a bunch of these bolts already too. This sucks kind of because now I have all these bolts over again, but I guess you can never have enough bolts. So I'm gonna already guess that these are the left motor mount spacers. Let me just dump this Jones out. Front mount. Okay. Never even had a front mount before. We're moving up in life. Mason knows what that's about. Thanks, Andrew. Back trans. Okay. Sweet. Some more spacers, it looks like. I don't know if I had any spacers on that deal neither. So, Hux Racing is getting us, Eric's Hux is getting us right out here. With all the bolts and spacers that we need. Lower trans. Okay. And rear mount. Some pretty good bolts right there. Alright. Right front mount. Okay, right front. Right mount. Okay. Here we are. Couple bolts, some washers. Sweet. Happy with that. Packaging. Packaging definitely with labels and stuff. Definitely another 9 out of 10. I mean, I don't know what else you want, really, like, where everything needs to go. Looks like there's plenty of stuff in there. Maybe if there's extra nuts, I'll give them a 10 out of 10 on that deal right there, because that really makes it or breaks it for me, a kit, when you get to the end of the project and there's a couple nuts, and it's not because you forgot the nuts, it's because there's extra ones in there. So 9 out of 10 so far. Presentation, packaging, everything looks great. So we're going to continue. Guys, so digging through here, looks like we got another motor mount. Another motor mount. Did this man send us, he sent us Skittles and Starburst in this package, Libby. He sent us Starburst and Skittles in the engine parts. Wow, and a pin. Oh! Heck yeah, son. Hux Racing pin. Oh, I'm too hype. Let's hear the click on that. Oh, yeah. Little signature. Okay, I'm right-handed, but yeah, there you have it, boy. This thing's writing good. Hux Racing. Can we get that to focus? For the win. Sweet. I didn't even know that. That's so cool. Look, Libby. We got Skittles and Starburst from the engine parts.
Nice.
Yeah, exciting. Okay, another engine mount. That should be it. Oh, we got another engine mount. Wait, you guys hear that? Yeah, real deal right there. Okay, so there's another engine mount too. Sweet. So I'm going to unpackage all these and put them all out there, and we're going to try to figure out which ones they are together. The engine mounts out. Everything looks great. More than what I expected as far as engine mounts and stuff goes. Oh, some of the stuff I have already, but I'll definitely be switching it out because this one's really gusseted and nice. My stuff definitely don't got that. I didn't purchase it myself. I have an earlier Hux kit, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I did not buy it, but this looking top notch. So real nice here. And like I said, I've had second-hand Hux Racing parts, and this stuff's looking good. So I believe this one sits on the front here. I believe it sits on the front where the engine plate will hook up to at this point. So, and I believe this one is the back. Yeah, that's right, because there's only 2 side mounts. So I'll show you guys right now. Look at all that packaging over there, just above and beyond. So we got that plate I was just showing you guys. We got the back. Okay, so this would sit like this in the back, and that engine plate will attach to that from the back, and then this goes up here and would sit on the front of the engine plate like that, and the engine plate would sit in between here. This is the side motor mount, I believe, the right side, and this is the left side motor mount. And then this goes, there's a spacer involved here, so I'm going to say this goes over there with that deal. So we elected to go with solid this time. I had bushings before, so I have 2 of those, and a back one that can be fixed and welded. If anybody wants that, I will let it go for the low. So hit me up if you're in the Michigan area, or if anywhere close I can ship it to. Pretty much give it away, just hit me up. But yeah, I'm super stoked with the quality of these units. Really nice. I guess what to expect out of them, or to tell, is I guess if get them in the car and see how they do. But like I said, I already run a set of his now, and I haven't had a single problem with them. Besides, oh, actually I lied. This I think goes here, and this goes here. Yeah, because this is the extra hole I believe he drilled in it for me for the K20 and the K24 deal. So yeah, this goes over here. Yeah, so on the last mount, the only issue I had is that I snapped this mount completely off, but it wasn't a mount. There was a bolt-in motor mount here, and then this plate broke. Literally, like I shoot the weld straight off, but they didn't have this gusset. So definitely upgrade here. I think this is what we need to get down with any type of boost we put to it right at first. Are you vaping? Ain't no vapors allowed over here. We're doing a product review, Livy. She doesn't want to be on camera. So I'm going to lay all the mounts down here. So this is the full kit right here. This is everything you would get with the MR2 S20 kswap motor plate kit or upgrade. This is everything you'd get, you just minus the Frenchies. This is a real nice deal here. So definitely a 9 out of 10. Go to Hux Racing, get your engine mount kit. Look at my car back there. Looks so sad.
It's going to face the right way.
Yeah, I know. I want you to look at it.
Oh.
Come here. Sitting right here. You notice anything new about it? Go over to the left. What's new? Point it out. No? Yeah! You like that, huh?
Yeah. That's nice. On your car that doesn't drive.
It will drive.
I look like you got a bullet hole on your head.
Because the rust.